Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, green color, black color, blue color, yellow color and brown color. Kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and use green color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Okay, so now you draw R and use black color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for vine. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Okay, so now you draw numbers and use blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.